So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. Once we're here, there's a few methods we can try. For the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then boot you back into Windows, and then hopefully that will fix your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Once we're here, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys, and then click on Enter again. Now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot, and then click on Enter. We can now resolve this. Now you want to continue to Windows, see if that works.